Hello and welcome to a series of NX admin videos from Sherpa Design. My name is Matt Martin. Today I'm going to launch NX 2406 for the first time after install, and I'm going to get a message that pops up that says, hey, you don't have a license for this. You'll get this message right here. The message says there are no licenses available. Either you are out of licenses or the UGS license bundle environment variable is set incorrectly. Please select File, Utilities, Select Bundles to properly set a license bundle or file exit to shut down. Okay, well, I don't want to shut down. I can't open a part like this. It says I don't have any way to open that part. So File, Utilities, Select Bundles. I'll select my Mach 1 bundle, add it. But I don't want to have to do this every time I launch NX, and your users don't want to have to do this every time they launch NX. So I'm just going to hit the X, get out of NX, and go into the licensing tool. And it'll collect bundle information as I access it. And the licensing tool will show the bundles that I have in my license file. And I tend to like to set this up to where I have the least expensive followed by more expensive. I tend to get into a little bit of CAD/CAM. So I've set 4 bundles over here. I can actually set up to 5 for the newer versions of NX that we have today. Go ahead and hit apply on this. And now when I launch NX, I don't get that same message. And I can just open up NX and start working. I don't have to use the File, Utilities, Select Bundles. If I did look at File, Utilities, Select Bundles, you'll see that those are already set. Cancel that. And I can open up a part. So the licensing tool allows you to set your bundles. This is great for your users. You can also set your borrowing here. This is where you would go to borrow licenses. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. You also have your environment settings here. The caution here is if you edit this in the licensing tool, this is where you have to edit it from this point forward. Otherwise, you could edit the registry setting or an environment variable to edit these. But once you edit it here, this is where you're going to be editing it from that point forward. The licensing tool supplied with NX allows users to set the bundles based on their roles and how they need to interact with NX. If you're a top-level surfacing guy, then maybe you need to set a Mach 3 license first versus a Mach 1 license. It's all different in every company, so take a look at your users and their profiles and help them set this up with them. Thanks for attending, and look for more videos in this series. My name's been Matt Martin. Have a nice day.